Welcome back, dear viewers. So, we saw just now example number 8. Now, we will head towards example number 9. So, let us read out the example. I have written down the example number 9. Let us read out the examples in the adjoining figure. So, here is our figure. Okay, I have drawn it. So, question number 1 is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? So here is angle 1, here is angle 2. See here, AOC and angle 2 is COE. So what is asked to us is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. So from the figure itself, what we can say, AOC and COE are adjacent angles. Why? Because they are having a common arm. Okay, here OC. So they are just neighboring to each other. Okay, next to each other. So yes, we can say angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. So here we can write yes. Okay, next is what? Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Is it? No. We can write here no. Why? Because see here, just now we saw adjacent angle AOC, okay, and COE. But here what is asked to us, angle AOC and angle AOE. So both of these angles are not adjacent angle. Okay, why? Because they don't have a common arm. Okay, so we wrote here no. Okay, and if you see the definition of adjacent angles, okay, so the properties are they have a common vertex, they have a common arm, and the non-common arms are on the either side of the common arm. Such pair of angles are called adjacent angles, and adjacent angles have a common vertex and common arm but no common interior points. So here we don't have a common arm in this case. Okay, so we wrote here no. Next question is, do angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair? So let us see where is COE and EOD. COE, where is C? Here it is C, O and E. This angle, angle 2. COE and angle EOD. Where is EOD? E, O and D. Form a linear pair. COE. Forget about the rest of the things. Okay, just concentrate on this. COE, angle COE and angle EOD. EOD. Do they form a linear pair? If you measure this, this is what? 180 degree. So the definition of linear pair is what? Angles forming a linear pair is what? Sum of two angles is 180 degree. So what we can write? Yes. Okay. Why? Because the measure, if we measure both the angles, sum of both the angles, that is COE and EOD. If you measure, they lie on a straight line and they are forming linear pair. So we wrote here yes. Next is what? R angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary. Supplementary means what? Complementary means 90 degree and supplementary means what? 180 degree. Remember this. Complementary and supplementary. Complementary means what? 90 and supplementary means what? 180 degree. Okay. Sum of angles is 180 degree. Then it is supplementary, and when the sum of angle is 90 degree, then it is complementary angle. Okay. So here our question is R angle BOD and angle DOA supplementary. BOD, where is BOD? BOD, this is BOD. BOD angle 4. Okay, BOD and DOA. So So if you measure both 4 and 5, so the sum of the measure of angle is 180 degree because they lie on a straight line. Okay, straight line is there. So if we measure the angle, it will be what? 180 degrees. So BOD and DOA, okay, are supplementary. Yes, because the sum is 180 degrees. So we will write here yes. Okay, next is what? Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Vertically opposite angles are the angles which are formed when two lines intersect each other, x, okay, and this angle are vertically opposite angle and this angle are also vertically opposite angles. So here what we have to find out is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4. Angle 1 is here, angle AOC, vertically opposite to angle 4. This is 4, angle DOB. See here, if you see carefully, AOC is equal to what? DOB. What you can write? Yes. Okay, and last one is, what is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? Vertically opposite angle, already I have explained you, angle are formed when two lines intersect each other. That is what? X. Okay, so opposite angles are equal, okay, when two lines intersect each other. See here, what is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5? Where is angle 5? Here is angle 5, that is AOD. So vertically opposite angle of AOD is what? It will not be this EOB. It will not be this EOCOE. What it will be? AOD. So it will be COB. Okay, vertically opposite angle for AOD is angle COB. So this will be what? Angle COB. COB, or in other words, what you can write? Angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay, so this was example number 9. Okay, hope you have understood.